Is Lensmartonline better than ZENNI optical? Watch to find out. Hello, you're watching Jess, but you can call me Jess. Today I am reviewing LENSMART prescription glasses. They aim to sell trendy and affordable prescription glasses just like ZENNI. They sell stylish prescription glasses, blue light glasses, and sunglasses. I got a personal discount code for you guys. It's DRESSUP25 for 25% off your order. So, let's start the review. First, before we get into the glasses try-on, I'm going to review the packaging. LENSMART, off the bat, I was very surprised at the quality. They're actually 100% recyclable and it's better for the planet. So it comes in this nice box, and then you take the glasses out. They're actually wrapped into another soft bag, extra protection, and it also comes with directions and, of course, the cloth, so you can clean your glasses. Very fancy, I gotta say. And then ZENNI's, it only comes with hard plastic case, which is good. I've been using it and it's been protecting my glasses. There's nothing wrong with that. It's just, it wasn't made for like recyclable materials. So based on the quality, for me, the LENSMART wins on the packaging, but now I think about it, ZENNI might came with a box as well, but I lost that because I always said I didn't get this recently. So I've been wearing my ZENNI glasses for the past year now, and it started to get loose, like the nose pads and these parts. I tightened these recently and it worked, but the nose pads didn't tighten. They always slip off my face now, and I've been wanting to get a new pair of glasses. So perfect timing, LENSMART came in clutch, of course, and I've been wanting to try a different style. I stepped away from doing the rimless brow line style, and I'm trying out something out of my, not comfort zone, but like something I've been wanting to try, but I didn't want to risk, you know, spending money on it. So the first glasses I'm going to be opening is going to be this black square glasses. When I first saw them online, I thought they looked so cute because they look like kind of cat eye, but not exactly the cat eye shape because it has the corners. So it looks good while trying it on. So I did test these out one day when I was carving my pumpkin for Halloween. They were comfortable. I had no problem. Since they were a bigger frame, I could see more out of them. Definitely will be wearing them around the house. Personally, for me, I don't like them on my face. They're kind of too big for my face. That's my bad for not checking the measurements. I only did their virtual try-on, and that's not always accurate with the sizing because depending on the photo you put into, it's not gonna look the same what it looks like in real life. Overall, I do recommend these if you're looking for a bigger frame like these. So the next glasses is called Nelly. Is this brown gradient rectangle glasses. Here's the two that I got from ZENNI's. They're like a similar shape. One of them, this one's like the lighter weight one, and then this is like a heavier weight one, which I actually like it not being too light because I feel like this is gonna fall off my face for ZENNI. This one actually is heavier than this ZENNI one, which makes me feel more comfortable and not afraid of breaking it. And then for this one, I wear this one a lot more, the ZENNI one, because I added the blue light to these red ones because this is my editing glasses. So I wear this one a lot and it's comfortable, and it's good to have a backup pair because I don't wear my main one all the time in case it breaks. I don't feel like it's gonna break right away, and it's comfortable. I wanted to get this one especially because the color, it feels like a fall vibe. So I already wore these while I was baking cookies around the house, and I haven't had any problems since then. These are definitely a lot smaller than the first pair that I showed you, so I would be more confident wearing these outside because if you know, it looks better on my face shape. And my face shape actually is like a heart shape. That's according to the face shape chart if you look at it. So the next glasses I got was this Perza cat eye glasses. And I got it in this transparent color because I've been wanting to try that out and see if it looks good on me. Plus, I always wanted to see if a cat eye shape would look good on me as well, because I never did until now. And it is cute and very stylish. I already wore it to work for a few days and already got so many compliments on it. And it is comfortable to wear. It's just, it's not as big as the first one. You can't see as much when you look up and down. You would have to look more down, which can make me a little dizzy. But I'm still getting used to the new glasses shape, so that's why. Moving on to the sunglasses I got from them. The first pair is prescription. This one is called Chuka, I believe that's what it's called. But it is this aviator shape. I always love this shape in sunglasses, and I've been wanting to get an updated prescription one because my last aviator pair I actually got from ZENNI, and it's in my old prescription. And I gotta say, the quality was good. It's just like at the towards end, like where the gradient stops, it's like a regular eyeglasses. It doesn't block the sun. Besides that, these were good. So I gotta see how these turn out and see, because I haven't tested these out yet. But I will let you guys know on Instagram whenever I wear it. Probably put it in my story and get an update there. Definitely love this style on me. It's definitely a very stylish one. So the next pair is this A-Love ones. They're in this gray shape, gold, gray color, and a purple gradient. Now, sadly, they don't make these in a prescription, and it was my favorite. I didn't know that they didn't come in a prescription, or I would have got a different pair. This is good for if you wear contacts, or if you know someone that needs sunglasses. And it would be a nice gift for them because they are good quality. I really do like them. The only thing is I wish they were prescription. I was so excited when I first tried them on. I liked them, and then I didn't realize till after that, oh wait, these aren't prescription. I can't see far away because when I'm looking in the mirror close up I can see more, but far away I can't. So I really do love this frame. I definitely will get a similar one in the future that is prescription from them. But for now, this is what I got to show you. I was hoping that I could get this because I know that ZENNI does make light purple gradient sunglasses, but I haven't seen any ones that are that good. So I was hoping this one was prescription, but it wasn't. Overall, you don't get a lot of options to customize your LENSMART sunglasses like ZENNI offers. But I think their quality makes up for it. Maybe in the future they would add more like ZENNI did. Is LENSMART better than ZENNI? Now, I can't say for the long run, but for the last week, I feel like the quality is better and the price point is affordable while adding the add-ons, just like ZENNI has. But when you apply those, it may be more money, but they're not as much money as the name brand glasses you get at an optical store. But this is my opinion. If you want to try it out for yourself, the links will be down below. Use my code DRESSUP25 for 25% off your order. So now it will be even more affordable. Press the like button if you like this video and subscribe if you would like to see more of my content. Have a good day. Bye.